Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to clear your internet browsing history in the Mozilla Firefox browser. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Firefox browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner, and then i-click mo lang yung 3-line icon na to. Ito yung Open Applications menu, so click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, general. And then select mo lang dito yung privacy and security. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa privacy and security. And then scroll down na tayo. And then hanapin natin dito yung history. Okay? So dito sa history and then dito sa right side ay kailangan mo na i-click tong clear history. So click mo lang yan. And then pop up itong clear recent history. So dito sa kanyang time range to clear, so nandito yung options. So click mo lang tong arrow na to and then silik ka lang dito kung gusto mo ng last hour, last 2 hours, last 4 hours today and everything. Okay, so silik ka lang dito. And then dito naman sa kanyang history, so silik ka lang dito kung ano yung gusto mong ma-delete. Alright, so halimbawa itong browsing history, so check mo na itong box or active logins for unsearched history. And then cookies and yung cache. So, silik ka lang dito. So, check mo lang itong box. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click to clear now. So, click mo lang yan. And then, close lang natin dito at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. So, open ulit natin yung Mozilla Firefox browser natin. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-clear internet browsing history on Mozilla Firefox browser. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.